Welcome to the AI revolution. The world is changing. Artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving. Two powerful contenders have emerged: DeepSeek R1 and ChatGPT. They are changing how we interact with information and technology. DeepSeek R1 is a newcomer. It is designed for deep analysis and complex problem solving. ChatGPT is more established. It excels in conversational AI and content creation. Both AI models are impressive. They have strengths and weaknesses. Understanding their differences is crucial. This knowledge will allow users to leverage their power effectively. Let's delve into the exciting world of DeepSeek R1 and ChatGPT. We will explore their unique features and capabilities. Prepare to be amazed by the future of AI. DeepSeek R1 is a product of cutting-edge research. It is designed for deep learning and data analysis. R1 excels in understanding complex patterns. It can process vast amounts of information quickly. One of its key strengths is its ability to learn from unstructured data. This means it can extract knowledge from text, images, and even audio. This makes R1 incredibly versatile. It can be used in various fields from scientific research to financial modeling. Another notable feature is its explainability. R1 can provide insights into its decision-making process. This transparency is crucial. It builds trust and allows users to understand the reasoning behind the AI's outputs. DeepSeek R1 represents a significant step forward in AI. Its ability to handle complexity and provide clear explanations makes it a powerful tool. ChatGPT is a product of OpenAI. It is known for its conversational AI abilities. ChatGPT excels in natural language processing. This allows it to understand and generate human-like text. One of its key strengths is its ability to engage in meaningful conversations. ChatGPT can answer questions, provide summaries, and even write stories. It is highly adaptable and can be used in various applications. ChatGPT is constantly learning from the vast amounts of text data it is trained on. This allows it to improve its responses over time. It becomes more accurate and relevant. Its ease of use makes it a popular choice. ChatGPT is accessible through a user-friendly interface. This makes it easy for anyone to interact with and benefit from its capabilities. Section 4. Head-to-head real-world applications and performance. DeepSeek R1 and ChatGPT excel in different areas. R1 shines in complex problem-solving. It excels in scientific research, data analysis, and financial modeling. Its ability to process vast amounts of data and provide insights makes it invaluable in these fields. ChatGPT's strength lies in its conversational abilities. It is ideal for customer service chatbots, content creation, and language translation. Its natural language processing capabilities make it a versatile tool for communication-related tasks. The choice between DeepSeek R1 and ChatGPT depends on the specific application. If deep analysis and problem-solving are required, R1 is the better choice. If conversational AI and content creation are the focus, ChatGPT is the ideal tool. Section 5. The future of AI, a glimpse beyond the horizon. DeepSeek R1 and ChatGPT represent significant advancements in AI. They demonstrate the incredible progress being made in this field. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated and powerful tools to emerge. The future of AI is bright. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize various industries. They can enhance our lives in countless ways. From personalized medicine to self-driving cars, AI is poised to transform our world. The key is to use these tools responsibly and ethically. We must ensure that AI benefits humanity as a whole. By embracing AI's potential while mitigating its risks, we can create a future where humans and machines coexist and thrive.